today is Thursday, May 15th, and we're ready for our next activity for counting coins. Yay! All right, so the first page we're going to be looking at on how to try to find the least amount of coins for a value. So a change purse is very, very heavy if you have lots of coins. So the whole point is to try to figure out now, can I get the same value for that money with the least amount of coins? All right, so how much money is there, Mr. Hyatt?
Well, if you count all the pennies, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pennies, so 10 cents.
10. So there's some combinations that you could have. You could have 5 pennies and 1 nickel. You could have 2 nickels, or you could have
1 dime.
1
So
dime.
you could have 1 dime.
That's the same value, 10 cents. So because of that, you were going to choose the dime because that's the least amount of coins,
yes.
Right? Perfect. Okay, so let's look at the next one.
There we go.
All right, so how much money is there, Mr. Hyatt?
Well, I'm going to start with the largest amount. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 cents.
Perfect. So you could have 6 nickels. You could have a variety of 3 dimes. But what would be the least amount of coins?
Well, if we're trying to get to 30, I see a quarter. And so you can't do it with just 1 coin like the previous question. But we can do it with just 2 coins. So we could do it with a quarter and a nickel.
That would be the least amount of coins. Perfect. And then your change purse isn't so heavy. Good job, Mr. Hyatt. Okay, let's do another one. Oh, this one, we're going to be shopping. Okay, so we have a chocolate bar that's worth 70 cents. But you pay $1, which is 100 cents. So what is the difference? So what I'd like you to do is add or subtract. What are you going to do?
Well, difference means you need to subtract.
Exactly, because if you're giving the cashier 100 cents and your chocolate bar is 70, how much money are you going to have left?
Well, you could do it in your head if you wanted to and go 100 minus, because you always have to use the largest amount, and then subtract, so 100 minus 70, or you could write it out and do it the long way. Oh. Sorry, that is not neat, but so you write it out, and 0 minus 0 is 0.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to bother carrying the 1 over the 0. I'm just going to go 10 minus 7, which is 30. So 30 cents.
Yeah. And you could also say 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, it's going to be 30 cents. Yeah. Good job, Mr. Hyatt. Okay, so let's do the next one. You have a lollipop. It's worth 40 cents. And you're going to pay 100 cents, which is $1. What's your change? What's the difference?
Same thing. You take the largest amount, which is 100.
Yeah.
And then you subtract it by 40. Now you could do it in your head.
Yeah.
You could write it out the way we did, or you could do the counting method that you use.
Yeah.
But the answer, you want the answer?
Sure.
Is 60 cents.
60. And because 60 plus 40 is 100.
Yeah.
100 minus 40 is 60.
Yes.
Good job, Mr. Hyatt. Okay, the next one's going to be more tricky.
Okay.
So, your sticky notes are 15 cents, and the amount you paid is 40 cents. What's the difference?
Well, again, you'll have to go 40 minus 15. And you could count up from 15 till you get to 40 to figure out how much it is. You could write out 40 minus 15.
Let's do it. Show them how to do that.
Okay. 40.
Yeah.
And minus 15.
Yeah.
Okay. So we know that we can't go 0 minus 5.
No, that doesn't work.
So
Absolutely.
we're going to take from the 10s. This becomes a 3.
Yeah.
And this becomes a 10.
Perfect.
And so 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2.
2. So you would have 25 cents as your change. Perfect. Okay, thank you so much. So again, we are going to be doing page 130 and 133 today. Okay?
Good luck, guys.
Yeah, thanks